Hello, welcome back. So I've saved a lot of packages from AliExpress to unbox today. So here we go. We're gonna unpackage all of these. Been saving up for a while. And we'll get to see what is in here. So let's get started. Let's start with the smaller ones first. Let's create some space here so you can see a little bit better. Okay. There's one jar of the Diamond Full Beauty glitter. So it's diamond. It's got some hex and diamond. It's not fully diamond. Let me. So that's the glitter. Now on to this one. Oh, so okay. So here are a few different colors of the silicone display mats. Let's open one to check it out. So they can either be used for display or mixing gels for easy cleanup because it won't stay on. So let's. One side is matte, one side is the grippy side. Oh, this is you can create sponge color, and this is a scraper for, oh, this is for nail stamp art. Here, there's a pattern on here. It's very hard to see. So this is a silicone stamp. This is a scraper for the usually a metallic mat. This one is actually plastic. Okay, let's see. Can you see better on the black surface? Yeah, so this is the pattern on this one. Oh, actually, we can take a look at this. So these are just different colors of dry flowers. So there's about 2 sheets in every box here. Little flowers. It's quite delicate. So this is a Venalisa Glitter Powder Gel, color 1649. Okay, let's see. So this is what the color looks like. It's a clear glitter. I don't usually open this entire thing up. I kind of leave it like this so that it's not as easy to spill. Now this is a heavier bag. the Swatch sticks. I think. Yeah, there's maybe 50 here. Can do all my swatches and put it in the ring. It's just like this, a stick. And there's a nail. This is more like a almond shaped nail. Nice. Be using this in my swatching video. Oh yeah, these are useful to swatch the top of my polishes. They have sticker for you to stick at the top, but these are kind of like little gel beads, so I can paint the swatches and stick it on top of all my polishes. Oh, these are nice. Can make a video swatching all my polishes. There's a few things in here. Oh, this is the polygel kit. Okay. Lime Girl top coat and base coat. So these are the polygel colors. Nude pink, soft pink, slip solution, pink, clear, milk white, and white. So here are the tips for doing the gel. Here are the instructions. So trim and file your nail lightly. Apply very thin layer of the base coat. Select suitable shape and size false nail tip. Apply the poly UV gel on the nail mold. Use a nail art pen with cleaner to make the gel smooth. So I'm guessing that's the slip solution. Stick it to your real nail and make sure it's fully plying up and cure under the UV light. Rip the false nail tip and trim the shape and polish your nails. Sounds easy enough. So I'm gonna take a look at opening one of these. So it's sealed. So just to show you, this is the texture. Of the polygel. Like that. The first package, it's all Korean nail tips. Let's see. I hope these are my size. I've gotten a few wrong sizes. Okay, this one is way too big. That's one. Let's look at size. are thin, so the size 3. Okay, size 3 does fit. Okay, yeah. Size 3 looks like my size for the thumb. So, pretty good. But size 1 is not for me, so size 1 is too big. Keep a note in my head. Then this is up, yeah. Just pick up glitter or mixing gel. This end. This one is the apply gel. So I think this brush is nicer than the one I have. This look higher quality. So that's it for nail products. So let's do a recap. So I got some glitter gel, poly gel set, some swatching nail tips, some swatches for the top of bottles, some flowers, and some silicone mats. So let me know if you like this video, and of course I will be having more giveaway videos, and inside I might include some of these items that I have never used in any of the giveaway videos. Please like and subscribe and continue to support. Thank you.